Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with what matters: hardware and permissions. First, confirm the mic is plugged or paired and the physical mute isn't enabled. Next, press Windows plus G to open Xbox Game Bar and locate the capture widget. Make sure the mic icon is enabled. Then open Settings Privacy Microphone and ensure apps, including Xbox Game Bar, can access the microphone. Once done, set the mic as the default input in sound settings so Game Bar uses the right device. Now correct software layer issues. Open Device Manager and update your audio or USB headset driver. Use the manufacturer tool if available, because drivers control input behavior. Make sure the mic is the default device under sound settings, then open Device Properties to raise the input volume and pick a common sample rate like 44,100 or 48,000 Hz to avoid compatibility problems. Restart the Windows Audio service and run the built-in troubleshooter. These steps finish by validating. Record a short clip with Xbox Game Bar or join a party chat to confirm your voice is captured. If the mic still fails, reset the Xbox Game Bar app in Settings Apps or uninstall and reinstall it from the store to clear corrupted app data. As a deeper test, try another microphone or create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption. If nothing works, one key tip: check for third-party apps that may monopolize the mic and close them before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.